Hi, I'm Josh Briere with Elite Carpentry, and today I'm going to show you some high-end doors that we installed in this estate. So this is the 20,000 square foot house. Most of the doors that are the passage and privacy doors are solid maple. Luxury doors don't operate like normal doors. They're very heavy, and so it's not really how it looks, but more about how it feels when you handle the door. You want to be able to effortlessly close them without them rattling when they shut. So these are maple flush doors. They're extremely stable because they have a structural core that's made out of LVL material. The hardware set is from a company called Chant out of New Zealand, and this is all handmade, hand machined, and it's gorgeous. Everything operates with weight and substance. It's not lightweighted at all, and it feels like a high quality item when you handle it. When the door shuts, you want it to shut effortlessly, and you want it to have a solid thud rather than a rattle. Everything should fit tight. That way when the wind blows, when the air conditioning or the heater turns on and pressure moves throughout the house, the doors don't rattle. Normally contractors try to avoid clients that are super picky about their project or their home. Here at Elite Carpentry, we're the team that you call when you have high standards and you want perfection. You'll also notice that the reveals or the gaps between the door and the jamb are even all the way around the door, from hinge side to head to the strike side where the door shuts. All those gaps are perfect, they're thin, and they're even all the way around the door. Even when we install our hardware for our doors, the screw orientation matters to us. The screws need to be in a perfect vertical position. Will anybody notice this? Probably not, but to us it matters. Why does it matter? Because when we install anything, we do it with a high level of substance and integrity. Thanks for watching our video. If you'd like to learn more about us, visit us at elitecarpentryinc.com.